Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. On the menu today we have some stewed chicken. Now the first thing we're going to do is get our chicken cleaned and seasoned. So I'm pulling the skin off the chicken, but if you don't want to pull it off, it's completely optional. I just wanted this to be skinless. Now I'm only using thighs for this recipe, but you can use whatever part of the chicken you wish. Now I'm going to season this with about 1.5 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic and herb seasoning. I'm going to go in with about 1 tablespoon of my all-purpose and also 1 tablespoon of my chicken seasoning, but you can go ahead, whatever seasoning you have, all-purpose, it's just fine. Just go ahead and do your thing. I'm also adding about 1.5 teaspoons of browning because I like when the chicken has a real, nice color on it. Drizzle of oil and then give this a good mix. I'm also going to be adding some chopped onions, chopped spring onions, thyme, garlic, pepper, and allow this to marinate for a few hours. For maximum taste, I would recommend marinate this and leaving this in the fridge overnight, but at least minimum 2 hours should be fine. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your post notification bell so that you know when I upload a new video. You can also follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Shellz Homestyle Kitchen. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. Now my pepper looks frozen here because it is, I buy a lot of pepper at times and they do go off. So to prevent that, I just wash them, put them in a bag and place them in the freezer, so I'm always have pepper on hand. When it's time to start cooking your chicken, the first thing I'm going to go ahead in a pan, I'm going to heat some oil. Once the oil has reached temperature, I'm going to go in and start browning my chicken. I'm only going to do a few at once because I really want the chicken to have a nice color, and if you put in too much chicken at the same time, it's going to start to steam rather than fry, and I want this to be fried. Now once I've fried all my chicken, I'm going to remove some of the oil and I'm going to go ahead in now with my seasoning. So here I have chopped onions, carrot, thyme, there's garlic in there, pepper, the whole thing already. I'm going to let this saute for about 3 or 4 minutes. As I'm using frozen pepper, I didn't put them in before because they do have a little bit of liquid inside. So after I've sauteed my onions and carrots and the rest of the stuff, I'm going to go ahead now and add my peppers. Then I'm going to re-add my chicken and just give that a good mix so that everything incorporates. Once that's done, I'm going to add some water to the container that the chicken was previously seasoned in. Oh boy, I talk it rubbish around here, but what do you think? I'm going to delete it. No, yeah, I'm going to add the water and then I'm just going to give this a mix and I'm going to cover the pot and allow this to cook for about 15 minutes. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and add some diced potatoes. This is completely optional, but I wanted to add potatoes to mine. Now I'm going to let this cook again for about another 10 minutes. Just please make sure remember to taste the pot so you can adjust it accordingly. Now, once we have about another, say, 6 or 7 minutes left of the cooking process, I want to thicken the gravy. So this is how I thicken my gravy. I just go ahead and add a grated potato, and that just naturally thickens the gravy, and it just gives it a real nice velvety look. Because the potato is grated, it will cook really quickly. So another 10 minutes and we're done. Now you can serve this up with some rice and veg, some mashed potato, even some yam, banana and dumpling. You don't know how the thing go, and your chicken is ready. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you already haven't done so. I will catch you in the next video, guys. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Thank you. Bye.